Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to tell you about 3 intro making Android apps available on Play Store and tell you the complete method way to create an intro. The name of the first app is Legend Intro Maker. You can find the link in the description. First of all, we will may have to open this app. You can see there are some of the text available, and the text which shows arrows icon on it, it means you can download it. Just for example, I choose one of these and click on it, and now it has started to download it. It only takes a little amount of time to download. You can see it also depends on your internet connection speed. Now you can see it is nearly completed and now it is done. Now we will may simply click on it which we have downloaded, and it will may open in the front of the editor in the front of us. We will may simply click on edit animation. You can see there are many type of styles that how your text may appear in the front of you. Now you may have to choose one. For example, I choose one of my decision. You can see that the text is appearing in the front of us. Now go in the second box, it is intro. If you want to use it, if you click on it, the other settings will be cancelled. Okay, so don't recommend it. Now we will simply go on other size in text, and we will may write edit the text which is written to which we want. For example, I write something here like and we will may write here subscribe, for example. We can also set the color of the text which we want. There are simple RGB, HVS and precision. You can choose the method you want to change. Now let's go in the other box. This is color box, ignore it. This is the background. You can also download from the internet and also choose from gallery. Now the last is settings. You may have to set the text place by setting the movement in vertical and horizontal. Set in the way you want, and set the background opacity to 0. You can simply customize the size of the text you have set in the intro. After setting everything, you will simply click on the watermark to remove it. See an ad of 30 seconds and it will be removed. Then after it, click on export button. After clicking, it will ask for the resolution. Choose 1080 pixel and it will start exporting your video. Now let's go to the other app, but before that, subscribe to my channel because I need your subscription very much. As you can see, the video has been exported and it is also playing. You can also share it on different platforms. So let's go to the next app. The name of the second app is HyperText Animated Text and Intro Maker. Let's start opening this app. At the first time you open this app, you will be in the animation section. Go to the intro section because we are going to create intros in here. You can see there are different varieties of intros. You can choose the intro you want. For example, I have downloading already and a template of these. You can see this. This one is template which I have downloaded. I will click on use this template, and the editor will open in the front of you. You can see it is very high graphic. All we need to do to edit it is to click on this blue box, and now we will edit everything. The text, which is the main thing which we may want to edit to make it our channel's intro. After we have done with the editing the text, we will click on tick option right upper corner and simply select the resolution and video, and then export it to our gallery. So now the video has been successfully imported. I hope you like it. Next app is Pixelflow Intro Maker Auto Text Animation Maker. First of all, we will may open this app in the front of us. Then we may have to choose a category. There are different type of categories to be built. You can choose the category in which you are. For example, I choose one of the gaming category. It is other thing that I am a tech YouTuber. So we will simply click on use it, and the editor will be open in the front of. Some of the downloading is required, so I recommend you to download it. It doesn't usually take time, but sometimes it can take 1 or 5 minutes. Now it's time to edit. First of all, if you may scroll down, you can simply change the size and position of the text. Set is to as you want it to have in vertical and horizontal also. Now maybe let's go to the editor, edit the text. Now here is the text. We will simply click on it and edit it. For example, I type a gaming name, or subscribe is also okay, and I also can write anything here, subscribe gaming. If I don't want it to be visible, then after writing it, we will click on it and click on the I option to cancel it if we want. After editing the text, we can also edit the color of it, but it depends on the intro and the background you are choosing, so I recommend not to do such high changes, but it is your decision. So after it, we will simply click on the icon, but it cannot be removed, so you can use it in the editing of other videos. So simply click on export to export it. You can choose the resolution. I recommend you to always choose the highest resolution. It will be nice quality. So I hope you like it. Thanks for watching me, guys.